That would be a nice first catch. My ramp, you know, see him go out the way they come from there. My ramp, man, he follow it around, but he not bite it. I mean, I really want to switch up so early, so quick. So I just couple casts to make with this already. But I see one nice jack so far, he not bite, but it's in the middle of the day, so maybe you need a smaller bait. You can give him smaller, you know. Maybe I should just do the early switch and done. But I go switch early for him and he no bite. And then whoever else they then want to switch to it for him for some. Maybe when I come back, I switch and check him because this fairly bright. Maybe other type problem. Maybe other type problem. The water really clear. So you must see it and you know how I put on something else. Put on something else. Fish on, you know. Don't know what it is. Feel light. Either that or no, you let it go. No. No. What is it? Oh shit. Hijack, you know. Yo, blue runner. Shit, mate. Blue runner. Blue runner. Yo, as me switch off, you know, first cast as me throw you out there. As me throw you out there, first one. Hold on, my boy, I'm gonna go for my things. Watch out. We're back on my back, you know. Alright, first one feed here. That's a good catch. Behave. Right. Grab him on. First cast my cast with that one here, you know. Like you can sit down out there, wait for me. But now if I try to get it out to the dark area right there, so cause it's fairly clear on the west side. The west side is mostly sand. I get it far still, but a lower light and this rod, even though it's a light rod, it don't cast as good as the other one, so don't cast as far. Then light lure, you know.
Right in my head, feet in the sand, trying the shoreline for what I can land. Clark's legacy. Let's go. Saudi beach, shining so bright. Waves keep dancing in the morning light. Line in the water, dreams on the rise. Blue horizon reflected in my eyes. No stress, no worries, just let it flow. Feel that rhythm everywhere we go. Maybe can cast it away, all my troubles drift today. Heartbeats sync with the ocean sound. In this moment I'm finally found. Fishing and laughing when we're feeling alive. Paddle we so we ride the vibe. Cast it out, pull it in, don't let go. Reeling in dreams with every throw. Oh, we shine like gold. Under the sun, let the story unfold. Hey, hey, throw it out wide. Hey,
number 2. Almost in the same spot. I keep them here because I go ceviche them right now. Right now. Calm down.
Fishing and laughing, we're touching the sky. No looking back, just you and I. Cast it out, dreams in the blue. Every wave brings something new. Oh, don't let it end. With the sea and the sun we transcend. Rod in my hand, feet in the sand. This is the life we understand. Yeah. Yeah, we're free. We're free.
On Friday and part of too.
Wow. It's nice, eh? Let me taste it. What kind of fish was it?
One is a blue and a bar, but they have mackerel family.
So that's why you can eat it raw? Well, it's fresh.
No, it's basically tender, so you don't really have to cook it.
Can I see?
When them cook it, them yeah. So I can't follow the pot because the plate the plate gone left me. So. The plate gone left me. So of course everybody see how Keeks sort out that. Keeks is also responsible for my music on my channel. So big up yourself, Keeks. Aye, you're big up. Eh. Little more.